Hey there, fellow stargazers! Astronomically speaking, 2024 was a great year with memorable celestial events. However, 2025 promises to be even more exciting. Let's take a closer look at the 5 most incredible events set to occur in 2025 that will have you reaching for your telescopes and maybe even dusting off that old astronomy textbook. From eclipses that paint the moon red to planetary alignments that haven't graced our skies in centuries, 2025 is shaping up to be a year that will remind us of the universe's awe-inspiring beauty. We'll delve into the whens, the wheres, and the hows of these cosmic spectacles, so you can mark your calendars and prepare to be amazed. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss them. Hit that notification bell and let's get ready to explore the cosmos together. Our first stop on this cosmic journey brings us to March 14th, 2025, when the moon decides to put on quite a show, transforming into a crimson spectacle, a total lunar eclipse, or as it's more dramatically known, a blood moon. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about a blood moon? Well, it's not just the name that sounds like it belongs in a Gothic novel, it's the science behind the spectacle that's truly captivating. You see, a total lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth, in all its celestial glory, positions itself perfectly between the sun and the moon. Now, you might think this would simply cast a shadow, plunging the moon into darkness. But that's where things get interesting. Instead of disappearing entirely, the moon takes on this reddish hue, hence the name blood moon. This eerie red light is actually sunlight that has been filtered and scattered through Earth's atmosphere. Think of it like this. Imagine Earth wearing a giant pair of sunglasses, but instead of blocking the light, it bends the longer wavelengths of sunlight, those on the red end of the spectrum, towards the moon. The result? The moon bathed in an ethereal red glow, a sight that has captivated skywatchers for centuries. And the best part? You don't need any special equipment to witness this celestial display, just clear skies and a sense of wonder. Now, for the million-dollar question, where can you catch this crimson spectacle? Well, mark your calendars and book those flights because the best views will be from North and South America. That's right, folks, the Americas will have a front row seat to this celestial ballet. So set your alarms, grab your blankets, find a cozy spot under the open sky, and prepare to witness the moon transform into a celestial ruby right before your very eyes. Trust me, it's an experience you won't want to miss. Hold on to your hats, space enthusiasts, because barely 2 weeks after the blood moon, the universe has another trick up its sleeve. A partial solar eclipse on March 29th. Now, while not a total eclipse, a partial solar eclipse is still a sight to behold. It's like the universe is giving us a sneak peek, a cosmic teaser if you will, of the awe-inspiring power of celestial alignments. Picture this, the moon, our faithful celestial companion, decides to take a leisurely stroll across the face of the sun. Now, unlike a total solar eclipse where the moon completely covers the sun's disk, a partial solar eclipse is more of a cosmic photobomb, with the moon obscuring only a portion of the sun's radiant glow. From our vantage point here on Earth, it'll look like someone took a giant bite out of the sun, leaving a crescent of fiery brilliance peeking out from behind the moon's silhouette. At its peak, this partial solar eclipse will cover a significant portion of the sun, creating a unique celestial spectacle. Now for the burning question, where's the best place to catch this cosmic cover-up? Well, my fellow skywatchers, the answer lies across the Atlantic. Europe, northeastern Africa, and northwestern Asia will be treated to the best views of this partial solar eclipse. However, a word of caution to the wise, observing a solar eclipse, even a partial one, requires proper eye protection. Staring directly at the sun, even when partially obscured, can cause serious eye damage, so make sure to snag yourself a pair of certified eclipse glasses or use a safe solar projection method. Remember, safety first when it comes to celestial observations. With the right precautions in place, you'll be all set to witness this cosmic dance between the sun and the moon, without putting your peepers at risk. Get ready to mark your calendars for January 2025, because the celestial stage is set for a truly rare and spectacular performance, a planet parade featuring some of our solar system's biggest hitters. Now, when we say planet parade, we're not talking about planets marching in formation like some cosmic marching band. Instead, it's a celestial alignment where several planets bunch up together in the night sky, creating a dazzling display for us Earthlings. And this particular parade is one for the ages. Venus, always the celestial showman, will be shining bright, its brilliance piercing the twilight sky. Mars, the red planet, will add its fiery glow to the lineup, while Jupiter, the king of planets, will hold court with its majestic presence. And let's not forget Saturn, the ringed wonder, adding its own unique charm to this cosmic gathering. To witness this planetary roll call, all you need are your own two eyes and a clear view of the western horizon right after sunset. No telescopes or binoculars needed, folks. This is one celestial spectacle that's visible to the naked eye. Imagine stepping outside on a crisp January evening, the sun dipping below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple. As darkness descends, you look towards the west, and there they are, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, strung across the sky like celestial pearls on an invisible string. It's a sight that's both humbling and awe-inspiring, a reminder of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. So, set your reminders, dust off those binoculars if you want a closer look, and prepare to be amazed by this rare planetary alignment. It's a celestial event that's sure to spark wonder and curiosity in stargazers of all ages. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, because on March 23, 2025, we're in for a rare celestial treat: Saturn's ring plane crossing. Now you might be asking yourself, what in the cosmos is a ring plane crossing? Well, let me break it down for you. Saturn, as we all know, is famous for its stunning ring system, a breathtaking spectacle of ice and rock particles that circles the planet like a celestial hula hoop. But here's the thing, Saturn's rings aren't always tilted at the same angle relative to our view from Earth. Over the course of Saturn's 29.5-year orbit around the Sun, the angle at which we see the rings changes, and every 14 to 15 years, something truly remarkable happens. Saturn's rings appear to vanish from our perspective. This phenomenon occurs because Earth passes through the ring plane of Saturn, the plane in which the rings orbit. From our vantage point, the rings become so thin that they seem to disappear, as if Saturn decided to ditch its iconic accessory for a more minimalist look. Now, before you panic, thinking Saturn has lost its rings forever, let me assure you, this disappearance is just an illusion, a cosmic magic trick if you will. The rings are still there, but they're just so thin and edge on to us that they're practically invisible. Observing Saturn's ring plane crossing requires a telescope, but it's an event that's well worth the effort. It's a chance to witness a unique celestial phenomenon, a reminder that our perspective on the universe is constantly changing. Hold on to your hats, astronomy aficionados, because 2025 is serving up not one, not two, but three celestial treats: triple conjunctions. These aren't your average planetary meetups, these are cosmic events where three celestial objects decide to cozy up in the night sky, putting on a dazzling display for us Earthlings. Imagine this: the moon, our trusty celestial companion, decides to play host to a couple of planetary guests. Throughout 2025 we'll be treated to three separate instances of the moon aligning itself with two planets, creating a celestial trifecta that's sure to impress even the most seasoned stargazers. Now I know what you're thinking. Neil, this all sounds very technical. Give it to me straight. What am I going to see? Well, my friends, imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing the moon shining brightly, as it always does. But this time it's got company, two planets flanking it on either side, like a cosmic bodyguard detail. These planetary companions will vary depending on the date, but each conjunction promises a unique and captivating celestial tableau. The best part? You won't need a super-powered telescope to witness these triple conjunctions. While binoculars will enhance the view, these celestial meetups will be visible to the naked eye, provided you have clear skies and a bit of patience. So, there you have it, three opportunities to witness the celestial dance of the moon and planets, each one a reminder of the intricate and awe-inspiring choreography of our universe. So, mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get ready to experience the magic of triple conjunctions in 2025. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible celestial events to light up your 2025. From the eerie glow of a blood moon to the rare alignment of planets in a grand parade, the universe is putting on a show, and you've got a front row seat. Remember, these are just a taste of the cosmic wonders that await you when you take the time to look up and marvel at the universe around us. So, grab your telescopes, dust off those binoculars, and get ready for a year of celestial adventures. So thank you for watching, and check out the link in the description to start your journey with Odo today.